Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stats. New hoes, 10 toes, new guac on the bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
Welcome to this tutorial on ChatGPT for programmers. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge natural language processing tool developed by OpenAI that can help programmers to accomplish a variety of tasks with ease. In this video, we'll show you how programmers can use ChatGPT to their advantage and streamline their workflows. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the ChatGPT homepage and sign up for an account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to start using the tool to its full potential. The ChatGPT dashboard is where you'll be spending most of your time. From here, you can access all of the features that ChatGPT has to offer. Some features that a programmer can use in ChatGPT are discussed in this video. Number 1 is documentation. One of the most useful features for programmers is the documentation that ChatGPT provides. Here, you can input any programming-related query or question you may have, and ChatGPT will provide you with detailed and accurate responses. Let's say you're working on a project in Python and you need to know how to format a string. Simply type in your query and ChatGPT will provide you with the necessary syntax. Number 2 is code completion. Another useful feature for programmers is the code completion feature. Here, a programmer can input a partial code snippet and ChatGPT will generate the remaining code for you. This feature is particularly useful for saving time and reducing the risk of errors when writing code. Number 3 is code generation. The code generation feature or tool is another powerful feature that ChatGPT offers. Programmer can input a natural language description of the code you want to generate and ChatGPT will produce the code for you. This feature can save you a lot of time when working on complex programming tasks and reduce the need for manual coding. And the last one is debugging. The debugging feature is an essential tool for programmers. Here, you can input a piece of code that isn't working correctly and ChatGPT will provide you with detailed debugging information. By using this feature, you can save your time in finding and fixing the bugs. ChatGPT will automatically provide you the solution of the specific bug or error. That's it for this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you to streamline your workflows and save time when working on programming tasks. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel and smash the bell icon for more useful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.